June 15, 2025, Caribbean Sea, off the northern coast of South America, 04:30 a.m. local time. A joint Dutch-American maritime patrol team was alerted overnight by intelligence from the Joint Interagency Task Force South about a fast-moving vessel suspected of illegal maritime activity departing the coastline. By 05:12 a.m., radar and infrared sensors from an airborne unit identified a 30-foot twin-engine craft traveling without navigation lights, roughly 85 nautical miles north of Caracas. The vessel was heading toward open waters at high speed, nearly 40 knots. As the helicopter approached, the airborne crew issued multiple warnings in English and Spanish, instructing the craft to halt immediately. When the vessel continued evasive maneuvers, the crew carried out graduated warning procedures using controlled bursts directed safely ahead of the bow. At approximately 05:25 a.m., several packages were observed being released into the water. Using precision disabling techniques, the aerial team successfully rendered the vessel immobile, allowing for safe interception at sea. Dutch maritime security teams from HNLMS Friesland arrived minutes later aboard fast intercept boats, taking control of the scene without incident.
Coming down.
Approximately 1,200 kilograms of contraband material were recovered from the water and the disabled vessel. The seized cargo was transferred to the U.S. Coast Guard cutter Northland, operating in the region as part of Operation Caribbean Shield, a multinational maritime security effort.
I'm coming over.
During a subsequent media event, representatives from the Coast Guard and the Department of Homeland Security confirmed the successful coordination between Allied naval and air units that prevented the illegal shipment from reaching its destination.